Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I'm out and about at one of my Wi-Fi locations. I thought I would shoot a quick video, guys. I'm back on behalf of Funnel X Roi. If you landed here on this page, it's because you're looking for a way to make some money online. You came at the right place at the right time, guys. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you different home-based business opportunities in which you can join as an affiliate marketer and earn a commission just for referring others to a product or service. Every home-based business opportunity I actually show you I am a part of. I'm not just doing a review of it, giving my opinion. I'm actually involved in it, and I'm an affiliate marketer for it, okay? So Funnel X Roi. Why I got started with it, because I promote Easy One Up, a digital based education product that teaches you how to market online. Okay, and Funnel X is the sales funnel. Okay, and Funnel X Roi is the marketing system that I'm using, okay, to promote Easy One Up. And not just Easy One Up, excuse me. There's 4 income streams built in this system, guys. It's pretty much automated. What Funnel X has done is automated everything for you. Everything that you need to run a business is pretty much inside of here. Your autoresponder is built in. Your tracking tool is built in. And then there's another opportunity. By capturing leads, you get paid for that as well. So basically, everything is put into one system. So this is a great way to market Easy One Up. Okay, now in this marketing system, what he's done is he put Easy One Up on the front end. Okay, so that will be the first income stream when you get in here into this system. You get into Easy One Up. You can make anywhere from $25 to $1,000 or $2,000 with Easy One Up. It's member to member, 100% commissions paid directly to you, no middleman. And then on the back end, you have your residual. Okay, meaning every time someone makes a payment on their membership for their services, you're gonna get paid a commission for that. Okay, that's residual income. Do it once and get paid over and over and over. Okay, so it's step by step, guys. You don't have to worry about it. That's what I like about this as well. Everything is step by step. He actually holds your hand and walk you through how to set this up. Okay, everything is right here. So once you click welcome and get started, actually right here, you go in, start here. Okay, and everything is step by step. So you don't have to worry about trying to figure out everything. You actually don't even have to speak to anyone. Everything is automated. If you just follow the steps, you can activate your income streams, and then you just start promoting it. Now, what I did last time I came on, I just set everything up. So I have traffic running right now, and it's still running, but I wanted to shoot you guys a video just kind of to show you some progress that I've made with it. Let me flip over here real quick. Okay, bear with me a second. Alright guys, this is the autoresponder. As you can see right here, I have almost 100 opt-ins that have come through. Again, my traffic is still running, but I just wanted to shoot the video for you quick today. Yesterday I had almost 30 people opt in. So far, almost 100 has already opted in. Okay, so this is how we're tracking it. You can come over here and track your leads. Okay, so this funnel is working. Okay, I haven't spoken to any of these people. I simply paid for some traffic, and it's working. Okay, now let me show you over here some emails. Okay, if you look right here, Easy One Up. Okay, you can see where people have actually gone in and created Easy One Up accounts. Okay, right here. This is what this is telling us. So all I'm doing is running traffic, guys, and the system is doing all the selling and telling for me. And you have to understand too, guys, the point of the matter is getting leads. That's the whole method behind what we do, is generate leads into your funnel, into your marketing system, and let your system follow up with your leads and do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, and this is a great funnel. David walks you through everything, and then he explains to our prospects, you know, why they should join the different income streams. Okay, so pretty much this is on autopilot. So if you've been struggling with your Easy One Up business, this is a great funnel to get started in. And I've got a great bonus that I'm running right now. So if you're interested, go ahead. I'm going to put the link below for it. Go through my funnel, contact me, and I'll tell you what my special bonus is. I'm going to help people get some traffic, okay, to their link. So, Easy One Up and 3 other income streams are built inside of this done-for-you sales funnel, okay? So, get started, guys. Get plugged in. If you're looking for a way to simplify your online business with Easy One Up, this is the way to go. If you have no idea what that is, wonderful. Go through this funnel and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's a great way to make money online, just simply promoting this link, okay? You're going to have a link for fun, okay? So, if you have any questions about this, feel free to give me a call. But what I want you to do first is go through the funnel so you can see for yourself how it actually works, okay? I just showed you all the leads that I had coming in. I got almost 100 opt-ins from running traffic, okay? So people are interested in what we're offering here, and it's a great way to make money online, okay? This is what we call a digital franchise, okay, online. So, and with that being said, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified, okay, so that you can check it out and see what I'm speaking on. And get in touch with me. I look forward to you joining my team. I will see you on the inside. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day. Oh, like the video.